Welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss how you can block friend request on Facebook. So as you go to Facebook and log into your account, tap on these three lines, then scroll below and go to settings and privacy and select settings. At this stage, scroll below and go to audience and visibility. From there, select how people can find and contact you. Now there is an option called who can send you friend request. As you tap on the drop down menu, you will find two options. The first is everyone and the second is friends of friends. Unfortunately, there is no option to put it as no one, so you cannot completely block all friend requests in Facebook unless you have already added the maximum number of friends that Facebook allows you. However, you can limit the number of people that can send you friend request. In order to do that, select friends of friends. Now only the people that are friends with your specific friend circle can send you friend request. Other than that, no other people can send you friend request on Facebook. You can also increase your privacy by keeping this who can see your friend list options to only me. In this way, only you can see your friends and others cannot. So in this way, you can increase your privacy. However, there is no specific option to block all kinds of friend requests on Facebook. I hope you found this video a bit helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.